Welcome to Abora Data Systems video tutorial, how to update access groups within Fusion. Fusion Access Control enables you to define and list access control rules. Click on the organization icon, then select Personnel to allocate these rules to individual cardholders. Within the Personnel section, you can view cardholders by name, department, card number, location, etc. You can specify where and when the cardholders can gain access through any doors or turnstiles that are controlled by access control readers. Fusion treats each NIM as a location when it comes to setting up access control rules. Each location has its own set of time zones, and these are referenced by a set of access groups. Individual cardholders are then assigned to access groups to determine their access to each location. To add a new access group, click on Access Control, then select Access Groups and click the Add Access Group button. The new access group will open but won't show any time zone selections until the location is selected. Choose the location from the drop-down list of available locations. Next, give the access group a unique name for this location, for example office staff, weekend staff, etc. Press the Save button and the location's time zones and readers will be loaded into the editor window. The time zone and reader matrix below is now displayed. The cells correspond to the cross-references between time zones and the door readers at the locations. Left-click using the mouse to tick or untick a cell. A cell also highlights in yellow when changed, so that you can see your changes. When done, press the Save button to save the changes to the database. If this is an existing access group and it is assigned to one or more personnel, their access rights will change within a few seconds at this location. To allocate one or more time zones to a card reader, click the checkbox for the time zone and reader that is required. You can double-click on a time zone or reader to select the whole row or column. The grid squares will highlight in yellow if they are modified, so that you can visually see what changes you have made. Click Save, then Close to finish. When you create a new access group, Fusion will automatically create 32 blank time zones for use within that location. Select time zones to proceed. To modify a time zone, double-click its description to view the time zone detail screen. You can change which days the time zone will apply by left-clicking directly on the clock icon for each day. A green triangle indicates the time zone applies, a red square indicates it does not. Changing the time range is done using the Start and End Time drop-down list boxes on the left of the screen. The example shows a time zone that applies 24 hours a day, 7 days a week including holidays. If the time zone is going to be the default setting for the location, then select the Default Time Zone checkbox. Click Save, then Close to finish. To update an individual cardholder with a newly created access group, click on Personnel and locate the cardholder by a sort preference. Double-click on a cardholder, which will bring up the cardholder's personnel record. Click on the Access Control tab, and within the Access Groups window, a list of every location available to the cardholder is displayed. Under each visible location, all the access groups defined for the location are displayed. To assign an access group to a person, place a tick in the checkbox, and unclicking the checkbox will remove access. The operator must press the Save button to make the changes permanent, and when complete, click Close.